Okay, the next 2 minutes are yours.
Thank you. Hi everybody. I want to start with a question. What do you actually associate with insects, like for example flies or mosquitoes? I'm sure that for most of you it's a rather negative connotation, like for example annoying fruit flies in the kitchen, in the fruit bowl, or itchy mosquito stings in summer. Today I would like to change your opinion by telling you that the tiny fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster is actually the shining star of biological research. Did you know, for example, that people have been doing research on this tiny fruit fly already for more than 100 years? 6 Nobel Prizes have been given to people who work with Drosophila. But you might wonder, how can such a tiny invertebrate organism tell us anything about human biology? Well, let me tell you. It all started in 1910, when Thomas Morgan, a scientist, biologist, by chance discovered a fruit fly with white eyes amongst all other normal fruit flies that usually have red eyes. This discovery kind of paved the way for a lot of experiments he did, where he could show that genes are organized on chromosomes and how genes and chromosomes are inherited. Back then, this finding was groundbreaking, and it's actually still fundamental for our understanding of genes, chromosomes, and DNA nowadays. But of course, a lot has changed back then. Today, in the lab, also in my lab for example, we only need a wardrobe-sized incubator to keep more than 1,000 different fly lines. The generation time of a fruit fly is so short that within 3 weeks they become grandparents. And last but not least, we share our evolutionary history with the fruit fly, meaning that a lot of biological processes are very similar. For example, more than 60% of human disease genes have a recognizable match in the human genome, in the fly genome. Furthermore, also a lot of proteins, so countless protein sequences, have a mammalian analog. Taken together, I'm sure that the fruit fly was, is, and will remain a very important pillar in a lot of different scientific fields. And the discoveries that we make in Drosophila will always instruct research that we do in higher animals, like for example mice or even humans in the end. And I hope after today you might maybe connect a little bit more to this tiny alien insect, and next time in the kitchen you think twice before you try to swat a fruit fly.